Number 11, a ball thrown horizontally at 20 meters per second travels a horizontal distance of 40 meters before hitting the ground. From what height was the ball thrown? So here the ball is thrown horizontally, so it only have horizontal initial velocity. So I will have Vox here, that will equal to 20 meters per second. And because the ball is thrown horizontally, we don't have any vertical initial velocity. So I have Vo, y here is equal to 0 meter per second. Good. And travels a horizontal distance of 40 meters. So we will have this one here. It is traveling in horizontal distance here, which is, I name it x, and that x is 40 meters. And the question is asking us about this height here. So from what height was the ball thrown, right? So that will be this one here. Good. Now, because the ball only have horizontal velocity, we analyze this from the horizontal perspective. So I will have in horizontal direction, we have a constant velocity, right? So we will have constant velocity with no acceleration, because the only acceleration that works on the system is the gravity. So we have no gravity in the horizontal direction, so it has constant velocity. Okay, and by constant velocity we can use this formula here. X is equal to Po x here multiplied by t. But then we know x and we know the initial velocity, right? So we will have 40 here in x, and also the initial velocity is 20 meter per second, and then multiplied by t. And we can solve this for t, which is 40 divided by 20. That will be 2 seconds. Good. And this is for the horizontal direction. And now let's do that for vertical direction. So for the vertical direction, we have an acceleration, right? So we will have the gravity pulling the ball down here. So for vertical direction here, we have free fall motion. We will have free falling. So the ball is free falling in the vertical direction. And remember, for free falling, we can just calculate the height here using this formula here. H is equal to 1/2 times g times t squared. Okay, we know the gravity, right? Gravity is 9.8 and the time is 2 seconds. So we will have just plug that in, right? So we'll have 8 here, so we'll have 1/2 multiplied by g, so I will have 9.8, and then multiplied by t, which is 2. Don't forget the squared one here. So we will have, I think we will have this canceled, right? 2 and the square, and this get into 1, so I will have 9.8 multiplied by 2. Okay, I'm trying to do this without calculator, but I think I will just use calculator. Okay, what is the values here? So I'll have 9.8 multiplied by 2, and that will be 19.6. So we'll have 19.6 here, and the unit here is meter. So the height of this ball is thrown is 19.6 meter. So let's write that here. That height here is 19.6. And the unit here will be in meter. And I think that is the final answer here. This is the answer from this question. From what height was the ball thrown? So this is also the answer here. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.